Hey guys, my name is Janie Charlo, family nurse practitioner, certified in weight management, and I want to try to do a little bit more videos of just the everyday, day in, day out that you can do at home to maintain your weight, do some things on the go. So this is just a quick smoothie, and I'm going to tell you guys is basically a banana. I have strawberries, I have whole blueberries, ice, and then pecans. And then I also have almond milk, okay? Now you can make your own almond milk. This smoothie really is for my son. So I'm actually probably gonna keep the nuts out because he doesn't like the pecans. But I wanted to show all the ingredients because this is something that you could do at home on the go, quick, post-workout, pre-workout, breakfast. You could substitute it for lunch. You could even substitute it for dinner, okay? So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna put everything in my blender. All right. My hands are washed and clean, so just want people to know that. Especially if you're preparing food for somebody else. All right, and then let me scoop some blueberries. My hands all in here. Just a little scoop. All right. Again, I would add nuts to mine, which those are pecans, but I'm not gonna add it to his. He's a little picky. A little bit of almond milk. All right. And of course, ice. And then depending on how much ice you actually use, that's about how much smoothie you will probably make, okay? So I'm gonna cover that. And that's it. And depending on your blender setting, like I do pulse. Sometimes if I put my ice in there first, I have to do an ice crush. But that's pretty much it. You could do blend or pulse, and you have you a whole meal.